I don't know what you're doing on November 6th and 7th of 2019, but I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to Zoholics. Zoholics are coming to town. They will be in Toronto on November 6th and 7th of 2019. I've been to many Zoho events, and usually when Zoho are coming to town, they will bring lots of great speakers. They're teaching about the different products, how to be productive at work, how to create cool automations, what's next. Great events. I also connected with Zoho and they provided me a coupon for you. Again, I'm not making any money on it, it's just for you. I will drop the coupon down on the description. I really hope to see you there because I'm going to be there. And as always, when you see me on those events, feel free to approach me. I will be more than happy to share with you from my experience, to give you advice, help you whatever you need. I will see you on November 6th, 2019 on Zoho event. See you there.